In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a space background in Jira. Customizing your space background is a simple way to make your Jira projects feel more organized, more personal, and easier to recognize at a glance. Maybe you're managing multiple teams, or you just want your main project to stand out when you open Jira. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps to change the background for a specific space or project, and share a few tips along the way so everything looks clean and professional. First, start by opening Jira and going to the space or project where you want to change the background. You can do this from your Jira home screen or from your projects list. Just click on the project name to open it. Make sure you're in the correct space before you continue, because the background you're about to set will apply to this specific area. Once you're inside the project, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the three-dot menu icon. This is often called the More Options menu. Click on those three dots to open a drop-down menu. This menu is where Jira hides a lot of customization and configuration options for your project. In that drop-down, you should see an option that says Set Space Background. Go ahead and click on that. If you don't see it, you may need the right permissions in Jira, or you might not be in a view that supports background changes. In that case, try switching to another project view or check with your Jira administrator. After clicking Set Space Background, a panel or pop-up will appear with different background choices. Here, Jira usually offers a set of built-in images or colors that you can choose from. You can simply scroll through and click on one of these options to preview how it looks behind your project content. Take a moment to pick something that fits the tone of your space, whether it's something bright and energetic or calm and minimal. You'll also see an option to upload your own image. If you want a custom background, click to upload and choose a file from your computer. For the best results, use a high-resolution image and avoid anything with text that might get covered by Jira's interface. When your image is uploaded or your choice is selected, confirm the change. Jira will apply the new background to that space, and you'll see it update right away. That's all you need to do to set a space background in Jira. Now your project has a unique look that can make navigation faster and your workspace more visually appealing.